I'm gonna be the first person to say this. I don't think that slap connected.
It sounded like he hit his shoulder.
It sounded like it hit right here. Like he dipped it just in time.
It sounded like he slapped him in his neck.
Chris Rock knew that the narrative was going to be he slapped me, so he just went with it. Like I think he really hit like somewhere around here, because if you hear the slap, it was a doof. The face is not going to be a thump. It's going to be a wet, cold smack. Like smack, like when you hit a 3-point.
Got by Rivers, good if it goes.
Like that's how it's going to sound. Like his sound like you dropped a bowling ball slap. That's what it sounded like to me. First of all, he hit the microphone more than the face.
Yeah, you're right.